Welcome to ThinkDart. A new interstellar visitor, catalogued as 3I Atlas, has just entered the solar system, and it's already sparking debate between some of the brightest minds on Earth. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb believes there's something unusual about this object. NASA scientists, meanwhile, insist the data points to a natural comet, not a cosmic threat. Tonight, we're diving deep into the evidence, the theories, and the questions that still hang in space. 3I Atlas was first spotted by the Atlas Survey Telescope in July 2025. At first, astronomers thought it was just another icy wanderer, but its orbit told a different story. This object is on a hyperbolic trajectory, meaning it came from far beyond our solar system, speeding through once and never to return. Only two other interstellar objects have ever been confirmed. 1I, Oumuamua in 2017, and 2I, Borisov in 2019. So why all the headlines? Harvard's Avi Loeb points to a handful of oddities. For one, 3I Atlas has shown an unusually bright core, sometimes without the wide dust tail you expect from a comet. Its orbit lines up almost perfectly with the ecliptic plane, the flat sheet where most planets and asteroids travel. Loeb argues that a random interstellar rock would normally arrive from a random angle, not glide neatly into our backyard. And then there's the question of composition. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers analyzed the gases streaming off its surface. To their surprise, the coma, the glowing cloud surrounding its nucleus, is dominated by carbon dioxide, with only traces of water, carbon monoxide, and a little dust. That ratio is unlike most comets from our own solar system, though it's not completely unprecedented. Some researchers believe it hints at a body forged in an unusually cold region of another star system. NASA, however, cautions against jumping to conclusions. According to their orbital models, 3I Atlas will pass safely between the orbits of Earth and Mars, staying about 1.8 astronomical units from us, more than 170 million miles away. There is no chance of an impact, and no credible data suggesting danger to Mars or Earth. Still, other features remain puzzling. Polarimetric observations, studies of how the object scatters light, show a deep, narrow, negative polarization branch, a signature that doesn't match many known comets or asteroids. It could be due to unusual dust grains, or something about how its surface reflects sunlight. But for Loeb, anomalies like these deserve serious attention. He's not claiming that 3I Atlas is an alien probe, but he argues that we should keep the possibility open until we've exhausted natural explanations. After all, humanity has only just begun to study visitors from beyond the stars. What if one of them isn't just a frozen snowball, but a fragment of technology left adrift? Meanwhile, astronomers at NASA and ESA are preparing to track 3I Atlas as it approaches perihelion, its closest point to the Sun. Upcoming observations by JWST, SphereX, and Earth-based telescopes aim to map its jets, measure the size of its nucleus, and study how its brightness changes as sunlight warms its surface. There's even talk of piggybacking on existing spacecraft. Mars orbiters, or even the Psyche probe, might capture distant snapshots of the comet as it sweeps through the inner system. For all the debate, one fact unites scientists. 3I Atlas is a rare opportunity to study material from another star system up close. Its dust, ice, and chemical fingerprints could reveal how planets and comets form in distant galaxies, and how interstellar debris travels across light years. But the bigger question remains. Could 3I Atlas harbor something more? Loeb reminds us that our solar system has been sending probes outward for decades, Voyagers, Pioneers, New Horizons, each carrying traces of our technology. If other civilizations do the same, some of their messengers could eventually wander here, disguised as ordinary space rocks. NASA's position is simpler. So far, every measurement is explainable by nature. The unusual brightness, the carbon dioxide coma, the shallow tail, all could be quirks of a comet's makeup or effects of sunlight on frozen gases. Science thrives on caution, and extraordinary claims require extraordinary proof. Whether probe or pristine comet, 3I, Atlas is teaching us something profound. The space between the stars isn't empty. It's alive with fragments from alien worlds, carrying clues about places we may never reach. So, what do you think? Is 3I, Atlas just a bizarre comet, or could it be something far stranger, crafted by minds we've yet to meet? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to ThinkDart, because the next revelation from the cosmos could arrive at any moment.